Hello, WhatsApp users. How are you all doing? So in today's video, we'll talk about how you can build a WordPress website end-to-end within 10 minutes. Also, in this video, we'll look at a completely free theme that gives you completely. You'll have AI features that allow you to generate content. This website will be built entirely with Elementor. So here we're looking at a theme called Immersa. The free version includes many pre-built website demos. You can also find this theme in the WordPress theme directory if you wish. You can download it from here. Along with it, you'll receive the package, the Immersa Core starter template and the AI content package. Okay, so once you install it, you can import multiple templates and customize your website. Plus, you get a built-in AI content system, so you don't need any third-party plugins. It's not necessary. This is a very lightweight theme, so its optimization is much better. So let's not waste any time and start the video. First, we need to install the Immersa Builder. To do this, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Themes, and then click Add New. When you go to the Themes section, you'll see a search option. Here, type Immersa. So when you type Immersa Builder, you'll find it here. Or if you prefer, there's a link in the description where you can directly download the zip. We can do that. Now, let's activate this theme. As soon as you activate it, it will prompt you to install a required plugin. It will say that your Immersa Core plugin now needs to be installed. This is it. Okay, so to install this plugin, we'll go to our plugins. In this section, we'll go to Add New Plugin. Once you're on the Add New Plugin page, search for Immersa Core. You'll also find the link in the description, so you can go there and check it out if you like. Here, you simply need to click the Install Now button. As soon as you click Install, if you do that, the theme may be installed. Then click the Activate button to activate it. Now that our theme is activated, let's see what to do next. Regarding the theme, if you look in the sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Immersa Core. Now, to create your website, the first thing you need to do is open the Starter Setup, the Theme Setup Wizard. So here, let's click the Setup Wizard. Alternatively, go to the Plugin section. You'll find the Setup Wizard option there. Alright, you can click it whenever you're ready. As soon as you click here, you'll see the Enable Themify Hosted Services option. Keep it selected, then click Start Setup. Next, select your business type. For example, I select Agency. Okay, from here, you'll find multiple demos. If you choose the Premium option, you'll also receive a Premium link that gives you a lot more. You get all the demos, plus the header, footer, builder, and all the other features. Everything is included as Premium features. So from here, we'll select a template. For example, we'll choose the local starter. You can do that. Here, you'll find many more options, including starter templates, restaurant templates, solar templates, agency templates, and other agency-related templates. In the future, there are plenty more templates. So now, we'll simply select this and click Next. Then, we'll need the font and other settings as we prefer. Repeat whatever is selected. Or, if you want, you can change this to suit your preferred color combinations, font, etc. Now, let's click Next. As you continue clicking Next, in the seventh option, you'll see Plugin Requirements. In the Plugins option, you'll see that I will need to install and activate both plugins. As you click the Install button, Elementor and Contact Form 7 will be installed and activated. Then we click Next. After that, we click Import Now. As soon as we click Import Now, all of this content and images will be imported. It will import everything into your website. So you can see this happening live here. You can see that our site is being imported. It's done. If we preview it, you'll see that everything has come together nicely with a proper design. You'll also get the inner pages. Now, to customize this website, simply go to Elementor. To update the logo and other elements, open the Customize section. Okay, so here, we'll first set up a basic configuration. So to begin, go to your website's rating section. Okay, once you're in the rating section, after that, we select our home page. If you prefer, you can also choose a post page.
Or you can go to Appearance and click on Customize. As soon as you enter the Customize section, you'll see the Site Identity option, which inside you can upload your logos and so on. So here, I'll select my logo by default. Okay, I've selected a logo here. Now we need the site. You need to select the site's favicon. I've set this favicon as it is. Okay, and here you can, if you want, add your site's title, whatever your business is. Plus, here you'll find an Immersa Builder option that lets you change the primary color, buttons, and all related settings. You can also change the header, the heading font, and similar elements. If you want to do that, go to the Typography section. To change the header, add it there. For example, if you need a CTA, you can add CTAs and similar elements. Right. Here you can add your CTA button URL, change the CTA style, and also modify its color combination. In the same way, you'll find a footer option. In the footer options, you'll have multiple choices, whether you want a centered footer or a 4-column footer. Okay, 4-column header. If I select the footer, you'll see 4 different widgets here. You can change the copyright text if you want. By default, it will display copyright. Okay, next we come to layout. In layout, you can select the container width and so on. You can configure global settings for buttons. You can add your social links. We can add it. We'll go back the same way to the widget section. Here you'll find the widget option. Okay, here we have the widget. We'll go there. In the widget, you can select your navigation menu from here. Okay, for all the widgets, for example, I'll now select the same menu for each. Let me show you. There isn't a menu here. To create one, simply go to Appearance and then Menus. Okay? Once you're on the Menus page, you'll see the Create a Menu option, and this is the header. The existing menu is selected as the primary menu. If you want, you can update it. Alternatively, click Create a New Menu here and set up menus according to your needs. You can either choose or create one. For now, I'll select the existing default I have. Alright, so I've selected these 3 widgets individually. And if you want to change the content of footer widget 1, just click on it. Now, let's move on to editing the page. All the basic settings here are now complete. Now we need to edit the page. Simply click Edit with Elementor. Once you're in Edit with Elementor, you'll have access to all the options. For example, you can edit pages, update quantities on them, and even add custom design templates and more. Okay? I went to this page and clicked Edit with Elementor. So as soon as I'll click Edit with Elementor, and our Elementor editor will open. Here you can change your images if you want. Okay, for now I'll leave it as is. I will leave the current default as it is. If you wish, you can change your content to the same format. Okay, here you'll find all the remaining options as well. Once your page is updated, you can click Publish. If you'd like an end-to-end Elementor tutorial, you can let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, have a great day.